Start.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. We from group assignment 5 represent about the question 2. So I will introduce my member. First is Muhammad Hafiz Azizi, second is Muhammad Abdul Hakimi, and third is Azhar Hakim, and next is Fariz Zafran, and next is Ashraf, Anis Nur Shafika, and lastly is Muhammad Alif. Okay, I will present about the question 1. For the transportation given, find the initial basic feasible solution by the northwest corner method. So we go to the solution. So as we see, there is a table which is I group in source 1, source 2, and source 3. So the northwest corner method is we put a unit from the up left corner. So the first unit is 10. So we see the supply and demand, which is the lowest, we put the unit. So the lowest is 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So the source 1B, we see 3 and 9, the lowest is 3. So we put 3. And 3 minus 9 equals 6. So the lowest in source 2B is 6. So the demand in B is 0 and supply in source 2 is 7 minus 6 is 1. So the source 2C I put 1 because the lowest is 1, and source 3C I put 1 because 2 minus 1 is 1. So source 3D I put 4 because the value is 4, because 9 minus 10 minus 1 is 9. So the lowest is 4. So source 3E I put 5 because the value of supply and demand only 5. So the total unit is optimal solution is 5 times 10 plus 3 times 15 plus 6 times 10 plus 1 times 18 plus 1 times 12 plus 4 times 12 plus 5 times 10. So the total, the last total is 273. So the next question is, one is the supply at source 3 is now reduced from 10 to 6. There is a penalty of 5 for each unit requirement. So I minus all unit in the table, I minus 5. So in source 3 supply, I change 10 to 6. So the supply and demand total is imbalance, so I put dummy, and the supply I put 4 to balance the total supply and demand. So as I said before, the northwest corner method start from left upside. So we see the lowest is 5. I put source 1A is 5. So 8 minus 5 is 10. 8 minus 5 is 3. So the lowest is source 1B. I put 3 because the lowest is 3. So the demand in B, I minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So the source 2B, I put 6. So the demand in B is 0. And supply in source 2 is minus 7. So the total is 1. So source 2C, I put 1 because the value. So the source 3C, I put 1. So source 3D, I put 4 because 6 minus 1 is 5. So the lowest is 4. So next is source 3E, I put 1 because 5 minus 4 is 1. That is the lowest. So the lastly is dummy E, I put 4. So the optimal solution is 5 times 5 plus 3 times 10 plus 6 times 5 plus 1 times 3 plus 1 times 7 plus 4 times 7 plus 1 times 5 plus 4 times 0. So the last total is 128. So I will pass to Farid Zafran to continue this presentation.
Thank you, Amri Hakimi, for the explanation for question 1. Next for question 2. Find the critical path for each activity network. Find yearly start, yearly finish, letter start and letter finish. This is the diagram that has been given. And also this is the path. We need to find the critical path. So the IOD summarize the critical path. First is AEGH is 7, 10, 5, 8. The total numbers of this is 30. And next is AEGFIJ, 7, 10, 7 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 3 equal to 29. And also AEVFIJ, 7 plus 10 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 32. BEGH, 2 plus 10 plus 5 plus 8 equal to 25. Next is BEGFIJ for 2 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 24. Next is BEDFIJ, 2 plus 10 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 27. And lastly, CIJ, 15 plus 2 plus 3. So on the table, we need to find the highest duration of value. So if you can see here, AEDFIJ is total value is 32. So we need to conclusion that the highest duration value is 32 days. So the critical path is AEDFIJ. So the next question is for yearly start, yearly finish, and letter start and letter finish. For the yearly start, yearly finish, we must put the starting equal to 0. And after that, we need to add to 7, plus 7. And also plus 2 and plus 15. As you can see here, for E, there are two paths going for E, A and B. So we need to use the highest value, 7. So E equal to 7. So 7 plus 10 equal to 17. And next, G, 17 plus 5 equal to 22. 22H, 22 plus 8 equal 30. And going to finish. This is also the same with the C. As you can see here, C and F going for I. So if you can see here, the F is 27 and C is 15. So we need to choose the highest numbers for the 8 to here is 27. So 27 plus 2 equal to 29 and 29 plus 3 equal to 32 and going to finish. We also the same. Okay. And lastly, I will explain about letter start and letter finish. For letter start, we going for backwards, for finish to start. So we going for 32 minus 3 equal 39, and 39 equal minus 2 equal 37, and 27 minus 2 equal 35, and 25 minus 8 equal to 17. 17 minus 10 equals 7. On this part, we need to choose the highest value also. So 7 going for here and also here, A and B. So 7 minus 2 is 5. And for the A, 7 minus 7 equals 0.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Anwar, and today I'm presenting for the organization research for the question 3. Okay, first of all, we need to looking forward with the situation given, which is about a dietitian wishes to mix together of two kinds by food X and Y in such a way that the mixture contains at least 10 units of vitamin A, 12 units for vitamin B, and 8 units for vitamin C. Meanwhile, it has been given for the 1 kilo for food X is cost Rm60 ringgit, and 1 kilo for food Y is cost about Rm20 ringgit. So the question given is find the least cost of the mixture which will produce the required diet. Okay, as we looking at the question given, it has stated the data, and we need to collect all the data in the question given. So as we can looking for the yellow boxes, which is about food X for vitamin A is equal to 1, vitamin B for food X is equal to 2, and vitamin C for food X is equal to 3. Meanwhile, for food Y is for vitamin A is about 2, vitamin B is 2, and vitamin C is 1. And the price given for both food X is about Rm60 ringgit and Y is Rm20 ringgit. Then we need to conclude with the mixture contents that have been given at the question given, which is food vitamin A is about 10 units, vitamin B is 12 units, and vitamin C is 8 units. So we need to collect all the data and put it together into the orange boxes, which is about vitamin A is food contains is about 1, and meanwhile for vitamin B is 2, vitamin C is 3. And food constraint for Y for vitamin A is 2, vitamin B is 2, and vitamin C is 1. The requirement for every vitamin is for vitamin A is 10, vitamin B is 12, and vitamin C is 8. So we need to put out together with the formula, which is X plus 2Y equal to 10 for vitamin A, 2X plus 2Y equal to 12 for vitamin B, and 3x plus 2y equal to 8 for vitamin C. It is because in the graph plot is about x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 also. So the prices is given with the given at the question. It's about Rm60 ringgit for food X and food Y is Rm20 ringgit. So the formula is X equal to 16X plus 20Y. This is for the data for the price of the food constraint. Then we need to use all of the data given. Then we to conclude that. Okay, which is about the vitamin A is X plus 2Y equal to 10. Same goes with the 0 with 5 for line X and 5, 0 for the line Y. Meanwhile, for the vitamin B is about, as we can see, 2x plus 2y equal to 12, and same goes with the answer with x plus y equal to 6, and the line up for the graph is 0, 6 for line x, and 6, 0 for line y. Meanwhile, for vitamin C, as the formula given is 3x plus 2y equal to 8, and the answer is 8 fraction for 3, 0 for line X, and 0, 8 for the line Y. That's all from me. I will pass up with the next presentation to other presenter for continuing the looking forward for the graph plot. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I want to present about question number 3. My part is graph. So this is the graph for the question number 3. This is the working part for the graph. For this, we need to graph inequality 16 per 4x plus 20 per 5y. 4x plus 5y 4x plus 5y plus 28. 4x plus 5 in parenthesis 0 equal 28. 4x equal 28x equal 28 per 5 per 4 x equal 7, and y 4 in parenthesis 0 plus 5y equal 28. 5y equal 28, y equal 28 per 5, y equal 5.6. For the last answer is in parenthesis xy equal in parenthesis 7, 5 0.6028 per 5. That's all from me. Thank you.